Hi everyone, my name is Zach. I'm here for MetalPro on behalf of Purity Cylinder and Gas. We're at Purity's demo center right now, and I'm happy to bring you the MetalPro lineup of machines, ironworkers, pipe and tube benders, and accessories. Today we're going to run through what we offer and show you a little bit on our 45-ton demo. As you can see, we offer 3 different ironworkers. We have a 40-ton, a 45, and a 50-ton model. We offer 2 different benders, a 90-degree and a 180-degree bender. Today we have a 45-ton demo, and I'm going to go in depth on that, how to set up, how to run and function the machine, and how to do accessories and what accessories we offer. Okay, right here we have a 45-ton ironworker. This is our most popular ironworker. As you can see, it's much different than the 40-ton. The 40-ton has a punch station on the inside. This 45 and the 50-ton has a punch station on the outside. This area right here is what we call the punch station. All ironworkers come standard with some size shear. The 40-ton comes standard with a 6-inch, this 45 comes standard with an 8-inch, and the 50-ton comes standard with a 12-inch. Each one of our shears can be interchangeable with each machine, and that is true with most of our accessories as well. The other thing that sets us apart from one of our competitors is all of our machines run on 110 volt, 20 amp power, and the heaviest machine is only 675 pounds. As you can see here, this one also has a wheel kit accessory added on with a shear shelf. Those are not included. When a customer receives an ironworker, they'll receive this upper station assembled. That includes the arm, the frame, a shear, a cylinder, a punch station. This is all 100% assembled, ready to use for the customer. The legs, the 2 shelves, and the front cover need to be bolted together, and this upper workstation set on top and bolted down. And you have to have 1.5 gallons of hydraulic oil added to this for this to run. Functionality of the MetalPro ironworker is extremely simple. The shear right here, to change this out, is 2 bolts and a top pin that mounts the arm. This shear can be exchanged with any of our 6-inch, 8-inch, or 12-inch shears, as well as the 8 or 12-inch brake accessory. Those both fit in here as well. The punch station is the same. The punch station includes a retaining nut, 2 strippers, and a die holder. Each of these punch stations comes standard with a 2-inch die holder that can accept any punch and die with a 2-inch die that we offer at MetalPro. Here is a small example of the punch and dies that MetalPro offers. In stock, we generally keep rounds from 1/8 inch all the way up to 1 1/8 inch, squares, same sizes, and oblongs. We do custom shaped squares, bigger rounds, stars, shapes, anything you need. We sell packages of punch and dies. This is our MP4140. This is a 5-piece round punch and die set, quarter, 3/8, half, 5/8, and 3/4. As well as we offer other 8-piece punch and die sets like this 4142, 9 32nds, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, and 23. We also offer a lineup of brakes. This is our 8-inch brake, but we also offer a 12-inch brake. The brake comes standard with an upper and lower assembly with a 3/16 upper punch and a 3/16 lower die set. This brake guide does not come standard on the 8 or 12-inch brakes. And we offer an assortment of different brake dies to fit any of your needs when it comes to forming. Another accessory that we want to touch on is our heavy-duty notcher. This is an 1 3/4 by 2-inch notcher. This is a perfect setup for 2x2 angle for anybody looking to do fabrication work. These 2 accessories, the heavy-duty notcher and the pipe notcher, both fit inside the punch station plate. The pipe notcher comes with a housing, and you can get the individual dies based on the pipe size you need, anywhere from 1/2 inch all the way up to 2-inch, schedule 40 and 80. One of the things that excited me about working with Purity is that just like Purity, we are a local company. We're right in Hamilton, Michigan. We're made in the USA. Unlike some of our competitors who also have the Made in USA sticker, we are 100% sourced in the USA. All of our operations, anywhere from laser work, machining, tooling, is all sourced and assembled right here in the USA. Every MetalPro machine is backed with a 1-year limited manufacturing warranty that we stand behind. MetalPro wants to service as many customers as possible and help them with any project they face. With that being said, we are set up to help with any custom tooling or setups you have that fit the capabilities of any of your ironworkers or pipe and tube vendors. Part of MetalPro being so valuable is the versatility of such a small machine. As you look right here, this machine, generally our footprints are 2 foot by 3 foot, but this also has plenty of capabilities to do multi-steps. So as you can see the pump stations on this side, we also have the ability to throw another pump station on the inside that allows the customer to do multi-steps at the same time. Even with changing the shear out to a brake or another accessory, that capability with just a quick couple bolts and a pin pull, you can get a whole new accessory in here instead of buying a whole different machine. So the usability of this machine sets it apart from everybody else. And when you talk about a machine that's so light, you can push it on a wheel kit around your shop. I mean, this is 100%